sound color synesthesia plays an important role in Messiaen's music. In 1971, Messiaen visited Utah. He was inspired by the birds and the landscape, particularly at colorful Bryce Canyon.
So why do birds sing? And first of all, birds make a lot of different vocalizations. They make many very short vocalizations, the chirps, the cheeps that you often hear walking through the forest. These short calls that they make can be made for a lot of different reasons. They can be made to keep the flock together. They can be made to warn others of predators in the area. They can be made to beg for food. But the more complex vocalizations that we hear, that we associate with birds singing, is done primarily by males and around here, primarily in the spring.
그래서 공감각이 무엇인지를 소개하는 것이 필요할 것 같습니다. 저희가 중고등학교 때 공감각이라고 하는 단어를 배우고 자라죠. 공감각적 심상. 이건 일종의 은유나 비유로서 사용하는 것인데.
The unfortunate thing is that birds around the world are under threat. So many parts of the world are changing in negative ways for birds, and the number of birds is declining. We know that song is such a critically important attribute that we associate with birds. And I would just point out that one of the greatest books that have been written that really started the ecological movement in the United States